Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the number 1,467,573 can be expressed in its expanded form as 1,467,573. Okay, so here we can observe that firstly let us start from units place. Okay, 3 is at units place, then 7 is at tens place, 5 is at hundreds place, so it is 500. Okay, then 7 is at thousands place, so it is 7,000. 6 is at 10,000s place, so it is 60,000. Then 4 is at 100,000s place, so it is 400,000. And 1 is at million space, so it is 1 million. Hence, we can represent the number like this. So our correct option is option A.